We're here at the Urban League to present the check from our Roundup at the Register campaign that benefited the Urban League, specifically the Save Our Sons program. Our involvement with the Urban League is a great example of how we can work hand in hand with the Urban League to make St. Louis a better place to live, to give people a hand up, not just a handout.
So the funds that are being provided today in terms of the Roundup and the proceeds that are going to the Save Our Sons program are critical to how we fund the staff, the programming, the outreach, and how we're able to get people into Save Our Sons, get them graduated, then place them in jobs. Not only is Schnucks funding Save Our Sons, but it has also hired over 100 people that have graduated from the program and given them the ability to take care of themselves and their families, which is essential to the success of the program.
Right after COVID, I lost my job. I was a truck driver for a small company. So I came over here kind of in a dire situation, transportation, needed cash flow. Came up and got the job, started July 5th last year, and the experience has been a very favorable one. The best part of my job is when a customer comes up and I might be mopping the floor and they ask me, well, where's the peanut butter, where's the crackers? And I'll stop, and it's just gratifying to help them to find their product, and they really, really appreciate it. So it's been very nice for me.
Well, it's wonderful when things can sort of go full circle. One of our focus areas is workforce development, and having a program like Save Our Sons that we can support, and then as it turns out, we've been the beneficiary of that by hiring a number of new teammates that have come out of the Save Our Sons program, and it's a definition of a win-win in my mind.
Schnucks has been with us from the very beginning when Save Our Sons was created in 2015, and now we have placed over 1,750 men and women into programs and into jobs in this entire region, and over 100 of those have been placed at Schnucks alone.